could hear my whistling or whispering. Green flag. Here we go.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, that's a lot of fun markings.
Yes. Okay.
All right, let's go
You
again.
can lock it.
Can I? I don't know.
That's not attached.
Oh,
It's okay.
how do I do that?
There's a button on top, just like your phone.
Clearly she does not know me in technology. Just turn it off.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Good. Hey, you know, for not looking down, you're doing a really good job.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Feels a little weird though, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Like once the safety net is gone, it's like you are left to ultimate vulnerability in front of a bunch of people you don't know. And I can tell you they're all wonderful. They're all wonderful. And they all want you to succeed, and they're going to help you succeed. So if you miss a beat, it really doesn't matter, right? Just like, oh yeah, that one goes there, and then just keep going. Okay, that's all fine. I would love to see you kind of break out of this shell of sort of just staying in your bubble, you know, and you're conducting this like it's your players. And I can tell you, so we're going to do something a little bit differently. I want you to kind of forget about what the score says in terms of dynamics and phrasing and style and all that, and just do something completely different. Okay, go again from the beginning. Good. Here's a good rule of thumb. When you wanted to get soft, first of all, that was great. When you want to get soft, I would encourage you never to bring the hands sagittally in towards your body. Just be small. This is still small, but this is supported. This is small and weak. Okay, so you want to be small. Keep the hands out here. Play out on this plane here. Once you pull things in this way, it's like very fragile and delicate, right? And it doesn't show what we ask them to do, which is have a steady column of air all the time. We lose that air column as we go through, okay? So stay out in front this way and keep it moving. Okay, now go back to the beginning. Do it the way it's supposed to be. But I want to see more from your face. I want to see more from your torso. Like, let this be more expansive. Show us where the phrase goes. Like, tons of phrasing. Yeah. Just trust they're going to play.
Okay.
These are not your little children, your beautiful children at home. Like, they'll go. Just trust them. That still wasn't very trusting.
Yeah, you're still, sorry, I have to take this off so you can see it. It's still, full beam, right? Just, here we go. Right? Just Get them, just hold them there, right? They're like, please give me a downbeat, right? But just trust them. Trust they're going to do something. Let your left hand be smooth. 3, keep it moving. 4, 5, 1. Bass, get your bass going. Good. Do you like what you hear?
Yeah.
Good. You can show that. Like if you like it, that face right there, show that one, that smile.
It's a
Do that.
tragedy.
Do what?
It's a tragedy.
I know, but like it sounds nice.
That's not a tragedy. The
Yeah.
song.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you're
Let's be
and
very
you're
clear.
right.
Not
And
a
there's a
tragedy.
moment for that face later. You know, but I think here, if it sounds nice, acknowledge that you like it. You know, that's one thing I hope that they notice is that when something sounds good, I try to acknowledge it with something either in the face or sometimes it's like, yes, you know, something where, you know, like, hey, that was good, right? Because around here, we like music to be fun. Even if it's a tragedy, it should still sound good. If it sounds good, they want to know it sounds good, you know, so acknowledge that it sounds good. All right, let's go again. Here's the beginning. Your left hand needs to be monitoring more throughout all of this and not just mirroring your right hand. To me, that should feel like it moves along more, right? That was 10. Yeah. Ba-dee-da. Get the wrist moving more and let this music start to move. It should feel different from the beginning, and you're still in the same character, right? And we talked about this morning, if you're going to say something a second time, you've got to say it differently. You know, let's go 10. Good. Good. Sorry, I'm going to stop you again. What do you feel about your face? How does this feel to you?
Blank.
It is blank. How does it sound?
Great.
Okay. Yeah. Dude, just lighten it up. You look like you're about to get hit by a bus. Which I hear is bad. Right? But it's just, you have a beautiful smile. They would love to see that at 10. Show them your smile. Here we go. Good 10. Good. But there's some low harmonic motion that we could be more in love with over here, right? Color that bass motion as much as you can, be obsessed about it. But then it gets passed off over to the horns right before the 3-2 bar. And then you got to go over there with them. We had glimpses of your smile. It was like, oh, nope. You know, stay with that longer. Okay, let's go again. Here's 10. No, let's jump over to 29. Can we jump to 29?
Yes. Can I turn my score back on?
Nope.
Okay. Just thought I'd ask.
Because I don't want you to use the safety net. I want you to be vulnerable and willing to make a mistake.
Be a lot of those.
I told you can't use the score. Make a mistake. The first 29 is a 4-bar, not a 3-bar. Okay, let's go again. Here's your
That was
tragedy,
a
by
bar
the way.
before that one. Yes.
Here's your tragedy.
That was a tragedy.
Here we go. So no smiling now. You got to manipulate that six foot. Dee da 4. Boom, bam, put a big horns in. Be more with them. Start on the 6-bar, whatever that 3-2. What is that? The last one, tubas. What bar is that? 33. Let's go 33. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and boom. Show us that. And you're looking over there. I don't know why, because they're the ones you're going to look at. What's your instrument?
Bass clarinet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I would have never known.
I thought that's what you'd say.
That's good, but like, can I tell you? I mean, I'm going to be really, but like, this area of the group is one of my favorites. Because you can color sound so beautifully with low reeds. But you don't spend a lot of time over here on the podium. Do you not like your instrument?
I do.
I'm just kidding. Okay. No, but it's like, goodness, you're over here conducting these people, but the low people, that's who you want to be with, right? That's your people. Be with your people. Okay, here we go. 33. Second trumpet. Think about the release. Breathe in on the release. Yeah. So we want to get your face more active. And I know you teach younger children. So they might think that's funny. And I'll tell you, every time I do a middle school honor band, they think it's funny. But then they get used to it because they realize there's more to the artistry than just write notes and write rhythms. We got to get past the technical part and get past the craft and like get to the grace of the craft, right? But when you have players like this that want that and desire that, don't be afraid to make it happen. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you all.